video, I'm going to show you my Side Hustle Reviews website. Yes, it's at sidehustlereviews.blogspot.com. So yes, it is in blog style. And I'm viewing it here on my phone, so you see there some of the buttons are a little exaggerated looking in the visual display on mobile view, but that's just so you can see the important buttons there. That's how it's displayed on mobile, but you can always go to your desktop and you can see some of the great articles I have here. It's just in the world of mostly online side hustles and different ways and methods and strategies that you can earn some extra income doing little things online. Some of them a little fun, some of them are actually a little boring, but they do bring a few dollars into the household, which I'm sure is what anyone is looking for, just a few extra dollars. If you were to just click on an article, you can see it as the main articles there, and we'll see what an article looks like here. One of the posts on the site. And they're basically meant to teach and train and just show you how to, what things are going on online that people are doing to successfully earn dollars. I'm not talking about any scammy type stuff or pushing some course that only teaches people how to make money online by selling the same course that teaches people how to online. We don't want to get involved with so much of that anymore. A lot of people come in through that way in that era, but digital marketing encompasses so much more than that. That's just one niche, y'all. That's the make money online niche. But there's so many others. The health niche, there's auto mechanics, there's arthritis, there's weight loss, keto plan, how to manifest your life, how to be happy. There's just so many areas and topics to get into. I mean, there's small portable heaters that are being sold every day online. I mean, it's just amazing what you can get nowadays online, and there are so many affiliate programs and opportunities out there where you can just affiliate with these different companies, and they give you a link, and you go ahead and promote that link, and if anybody buys anything through your link, well, you're going to get paid a commission for that product that you didn't even have to make, that you didn't have to worry about finding a wholesaler for and going through the whole trying to get a physical warehouse and all of that stuff. It's just amazing the side hustle opportunities that exist in the digital marketing aspect and the affiliate marketing world. And just, I mean, this blog was made for you to see some of those things. I want to zoom in on some of the menu items you'll see up here. You'll see the different sections here. This is what you'll be training, what you'll have for free, actually. And you'll see there's the free training, there's the affiliate marketing, there's the get traffic here. You definitely want that get traffic here section. I'm not going to click on it because it's going to show you what's there. I mean, it's the full training for free. You don't have to give me your email. You don't have to pay for anything. You just go there and you learn. Finally, a place where you can just go to and just learn. You don't have to go through extra clicks and go through this login and make up a password. You don't have to do none of that. Just go there and learn. Boom. There it is. Okay, you can see the different fields that I'm touching on there. Sidebar over here. Got an about me that tells a little bit about me. In case you didn't know, I'm William Caleb Rogers. That's a picture of me right there. And I'm from Southeast Texas, y'all. I'm just a button from Southeast Texas. I was raised in a small refinery town. Graduated in 1993. I love the metaphysical type sciences, metaphysical studies, and I like tech and electronics and the electrical engineering. Not that I have an electrical engineering degree, but it's something that I've always been involved with, and the metaphysical type stuff, that deep stuff, the woo-woo shit. Yeah, I'm into that. But that's just a little bit about me, and you'll see some of the pages again. some of my top reviews that I really think you need to get a part of now. And yeah, that's it, folks. And once again, that's at sidehustlereviews.blogspot.com, where you'll find the best side hustles and the training to go along with it. Best side hustles for beginners. All right. Once again, I'm William Caleb saying peace and light, and everything's going to be all right.